Hey folks, welcome to the market student. Today I'm going to show you my true week on when GPU is February 2026. So let's dive in. As you can see right now, let's start our analysis from 4 hour time frame. Mind you, this is not for beginners actually. If you know smart money concept actually, then whether you're struggling or something, this is for you. So I'm using a UTC profile which is Nigerian time linkers. So my trades are usually taken during London kills. Just London kills and they're 1 hour time frame. As of February, maybe the London kills on started from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Actually, maybe sometimes 8:45 or 7:45 or 7:30 to 9:15 ends. So what actually that's how I usually take my trades. So for now, let's start out now. This is from 4 hour time frame. This is a traders graph here. That is about the sensation actually. Show you how it works like this is that actually. So as you can see right now, major breakout structure right here is bearish. This one here too is bearish, which means our market is actually bearish. So on a bearish market structure, the first thing we should look for is actually a bearish range. So where should we look for a bearish range? So now we should go to 2 time frame to support a bearish range. Now on the 2 hour time frame, you can see that we are having some kind of strong highlight here. Very strong serpent breakout structure right here. And there's the liquidity right here. Internal range liquidity. And we have an external range liquidity right here, which will actually be our kind of target for this part. So usually when you get your trading range right here, depending on your market trend, as you can see right now, the market is bearish. So we get a strong high liquidity point of interest and external range liquidity, which is our target. So now what we should do is go to a 4 hour time frame, higher time frame. Yeah, before daily, depending on where, as you can see, daily is some kind of shit. So let's just use the 4 hour time frame. So our point of interest right here, we have an order block and a rejection block. The order block is already tapped, so let's use the rejection block. Though the rejection block is actually usually much more stronger than order block. So if you say that this is our point of interest now, let's use our positioning tool right here. So positioning tool, place it. Take profit should be here. Our stop loss, usually my stop loss stays within the range 10 pips, not in more than 10 pips. As you can see right now, depending on the trading rate. My stop loss right here is 9.7 pips, so I'm using 5 pips. So maybe let's try 5 or 6 pips stop loss because I can see the trading range is clear and everything is actually set up. Okay, let's just use 6 pips as a stop loss. That can be great. So let's drop to our 15-minute time frame. Sorry, I'm sorry, reason. Video should be set. So as you can see right now, identity hours, right? Your account balance is actually 1,000. This is traders cancel sensation. So yes of your position. Risk 2% for the trading account. This is actually not that. This $1,000 account. And now yes, different prices. So as you can see right now the price charts as well. Or you have during Asian session actually, not London session. As you can see, 3 a.m. Nigerian time, ETC plus 1 Lagos time. Let's play the price also. As you can see right now we can get our 700 because as you can see we have another stop on which is a strong like break structure. So this can be a liquidity. This tiny other block. Let's check on maybe 1 hour time frame. Or maybe 2 hours time frame. Always check your POIs from the high time frames. As you can see right now we have a clean order block right here. If you can insert a little right here. Target external range liquidity. Stop loss. Should we just go to rejection block like this in case it taps? Second breath of it still not. Condition 60%. Yeah, good to go. I'll drop down to lower time frames. And then market is gonna react again. No, and the price. The second entry came during New York session, 2:59, which is actually good. Well, let's go to break even right here in case if the market. So I need to do something else. Let's buy the price. As you can see, we owe $600. Our second entry should be tomorrow morning after Asian session is over. Asian session usually ends by 6 a.m. Nigerian time. So now let's play the players. Asian session is on. It usually starts by 11 p.m. Nigerian time. We should probably tell local time zones, your local time zones. So, and usually my entry time frame usually is London KLM. We change at 9 a.m. Starts sometimes maybe from 7:30 or 7:45. Or maybe it's in the future. I look to our time frame. Like so our time frame is far. One from 1 hour time frame as you can see right now we have a rejection block just above the Asian. Just before above the Asian session. So also I can see a rejection block right here. The market might decide to tap right here. Well, let's see what the market is gonna do. Now let's place an order. But side. This one I said we are going to swing it. We're just going to try something. That's right. Value. The stop loss should be like this. A few stop loss. Take profits. It's like under what we found should be okay. Lose 20%, 2% value, $20. This is smart, huh? Now let's sell from here. If the trade didn't happen in this time, then we are canceling the orders. This is how this market is. So, if to say we use this stop loss, this is the middle of the other block right here. 1 to 10 is okay. The position, risking 2%. Wow, and guys, tap right here. Exactly 18. It is a good time to trade. As you can see already, $20 from the buy side. Now, open profit is let's all put the same taxes in each time. That's the time. Yeah, 9 a.m. exactly. That is what we want to see. No, it's pretty. It's pretty fine. As you can see, Asian session completed before. Manual tech perfect. On here to you. So that is exactly how we should be playing with our advantages. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. If you have any question that you want to clear up,